Really briefing about the present situation in Goa, and still there are more meetings, there's all-party meeting with editors, and basically the present situation, approach. Honorable Chief Minister will accordingly brief the media on the present situation in Goa. What are the present steps that we are taking? How do we move forward? So this is generally discussed because this has to be a united effort. When we say Team Goa doesn't include only the ruling party. Team Goa also includes the members of the opposition. Team Goa also includes all of us, and the people who was found positive then. So basically you cannot go on locking down areas. You need to see that you basically the concept of screening, basically the concept of home quarantine, and also the SOPs will be announced by the Chief Minister, which has to be a community effort. And best is we have to see with the present situation in Goa how best we can move forward, and everybody has to be a part of the movement that we are. It cannot be just the government alone. It has to be even the Punch member. It has to be so Chief Minister will give a thorough briefing. He has had a long deliberation with the members of the cabinet, members informal deliberation, then members of the ruling alliance, and also now I think with the editors, and 4 o'clock is all party meeting. So basically only after all this you come to a consensus on the opinion. But what happens? It has to be a unanimous kind of a decision. Chief Minister has taken everybody into confidence. We need to see what is the best mechanism for the state of Goa. But I can assure you, we have to ensure, we have to create awareness, we have to educate the people, and we have to see that COVID, even with COVID, how do we live with COVID, and how do we face COVID, and how do we carry out economic activities with COVID. It is very easy to say that we can shut down various activities, but for this, I have the best person who will, after all the deliberations, I am sure all the editors also are meeting and channels are meeting Chief Minister in the evening. I think he will brief exactly on the modalities. Basically, Goa cannot get insulated from what's happening in the country. I have always said that Goa is also a part of India, and whatever is happening, movement, all these things are going to happen. You cannot prevent people from coming to the state of Goa, but then the approach has to be decided, which is being decided. So everybody is giving his view. Once he gives his view, accordingly we will decide the best mechanism. We are having the best testing facilities in the state of Goa. Consultation is going on also to see whether in containment zone whether you can use antibody testings and various new mechanisms that are there. Let me tell you one thing. As far as the health infrastructure is concerned, Goa has got one of the finest health infrastructure. Me as a health minister, under the guidance of the Chief Minister, from time to time, we are taking all the steps that are required. Many times when movement of goods takes place, people come from outside, we still have not come to a conclusion as where A picked up the virus or B picked up and where are clusters are there, like you see Mumbai, what is happening, where clusters are there, suddenly as a result the government is taking a very serious putting a serious mechanism in place where we can keep monitoring of these various, making containment zone is made in Mangur, accordingly appropriate mechanism. Also we are trying to see whether there are companies like Portia and other things like in Delhi to manage this home quarantine and other several mechanisms to put in place. You have to, now start decentralizing to see that the whole community is a part of this effort, to see that people who are supposed to be in home quarantine are maintaining the home quarantine protocols that are in place. Void sir ha म्हणून awareness त्यातली करपाची गरज आसा. आता हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हांव भंयान रावलो जाल्यार हांव खंयच्या हॉस्पिटलान पावतलो. आता हांव सगळीकडे पावता, सगळीकडे मशीन हांवें सांजचो GMCन वयतलो, ते मशिनां सारकी नवी मशीन कमिशन करपाचें आहा, तें कमिशन केल्या शिवाय कशें जातलें. आनी म्हणून भंय आसलो म्हणून आमी मास्क घालूंक जाय. आमी प्रत्येकानी आतां तुमीच मिडिया पळया, तुमी कोणूच सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करिना. आतां जर तुमी सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन करिना जाल्यार मागीर लोकांक आमी कितें म्हणून सांगतले. आमी पयलीं मंत्री म्हणून पयलीं म्हाजेर टिका जाताली की हांव मास्क चड घालिना म्हणून. आतां हांव मास्क घातल्या शिवाय भायरूच सरना. पूण हें प्रत्येक मनशांनी पाळपाची गरज आहा. आयज पंच मेंबर आसूं काय पंचायत सेक्रेटरी आसूं काय आमचो सरपंच आसूं काय कावन्सिलर, म्हणून मुख्यमंत्रीन सगळ्यांचे चर्चा करून सगळ्यांचे ओपिनियन घेवपाचो प्रोसेस चल्ला. Collectively, Goa has to fight COVID-19. Nobody can fight COVID-19 in parts and parcels. We are all one team. We are all one state, and we are citizens of the state of Goa. It is not COVID cannot be fought by either A party, B party, or C party, or D party. We have to fight it as a group. We are all one. We will fight COVID together, and we will win over COVID. We have had a setback because of Mangur, but I am sure we have to be ready for any kind of situation and move forward. It is a setback for personally for our department also, because when spike goes up, then responsibility also goes up. Then the seriousness also of the issue goes to a different level. You have to start thinking in a different way. The protocols have to be in a different way. Any official statement Chief Minister Sanchin Basile तुमका एक जनरल अँड ब्रीफ केला पण त्याच्या भायर लेट अस वेट फॉर द डिस्कशन टू हॅपन विथ ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग दे मे बी ऑल्सो हॅव्हिंग सजेशन्स चीफ मिनिस्टर विल टॉक टू द एडिटर्स दे मे बी ऑल्सो हॅव्हिंग सजेशन्स अँड देन दिस गोष्टी
पण झाले ना तसे
माझ्या बी फोनार बी आला
ओके
तुमचे
हेल्थ डायरेक्टरान काल ब्रीफ करताना सांगले की कोविड इज जस्ट फ्लू लायक एनी अदर फ्लू म्हणून तो भंय तुम्ही काढला जाल्यार तुमकां हांगासरूच सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग दिसचेना आनी तुमकां ते हॉस्पिटलांत दिसचेना
पळय भंय काडपाचो म्हणजे डायरेक्टरान जें कितें सांगलां की रिकवरी रेट बी बरी आहा आणि आयज कोण खंयच्या तरी पेपरान आयला की एक नेगेटिव्ह जाल्लो पेशंट परत पॉझिटिव्ह जाली जी खोटी बातमी म्हणून तुमचे मिडियाचे सहकार्य एकदम अत्यंत गरजेची गोष्ट कारण मिडियाच्या माध्यमांतल्यानूच आमी लोकांक एज्युकेट करू शकता आयज केरी एक केस जाल्यार टोटल केरी 4 दीस लॉकडावन जाला आयज लॉकडावन करपाची गरज ना आयज सिमटम बी कशे आहा ते प्रत्येक मनीस टीव्ही पळयता ताका कळटा तो जर PHCन काय RMDन आयलो ताका ताबडतोब आमी ताका चॅक करून आमी फुडें ताका ट्रिटमेंट दिवं शकता आणि म्हणूनच हे सगळे प्रोटोकॉल्स मुख्यमंत्री सांगचे आनी SOPs कितें ते मार्गदर्शन करतले पूण एज हेल्थ मिनिस्टर जे कितें करूंक जाय जे आमची टेस्टिंगची फेसिलिटी वाडोवपाची गरज आहा जे बाकीचे गोष्टी करपाचो प्रयत्न आहा ते आमी करतले पूण चीफ मिनिस्टर इज टेकन द इनिशिएटीव टुडे वीच इज अ व्हेरी गुड इनिशिएटीव टू ब्रीफ एवरीबडी टेक एवरीबडी ऑन बोर्ड आनी गरज ना न्ही आनी चडशे कितें आहा नवे SOPs जेन्ना येतले तुमकां एक्झॅक्टली कळटलें कितें